pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself. Oh, yes, this is a beautiful reminder that you need to give grace to yourself. When we talk about grace, grace is a complex and multifaceted concept that can be understood in various ways, depending on the concept you're looking at it. Grace encompasses various aspects of human endeavor or experiences, including spirituality, your personal growth, relationship, and life, everyday life. But we are going to dwell on personal concepts. Kindness. Do you give yourself that kind attitude? Are you compassionate to yourself? Talk of generosity. Are you generous to yourself? They say charity begins at home. Having that empathy towards yourself is very important and to others. Then resilience and adaptability. Let's talk about ability to stay focused in life-challenging period. Cultivating the ability to navigate life challenges with flexibility and determination. There are ways to show or give yourself grace. 1, take care of yourself. Do prioritize physical, emotional, and mental being. They are important to you. Then acknowledge your effort. Recognize that you are doing the best. Even though it might not be perfect, but recognize that your effort. Then begin to practice self-compassion. Still on being kind to oneself. Then let go of self-criticism. That you made a mistake today is not the end of the world. It is just a stepping stone to your growth. So learn from your mistake and don't put yourself down when you make a mistake. It shows that you're trying. Celebrate your little wins and success. Learn to tap yourself at the back and say, I tried. Oh yes, do it. Do it yourself. Know how to appreciate your wins. Then, no matter how small they are, remember, giving yourself grace is not a sign of weakness, but is a sign of strength and self-awareness. So, start today to give yourself grace so that you can ravel all those things that are inbuilt in you so that you can be confident and achieve more in life. If you find this video very interesting, please do comment, subscribe to this channel, and share to that person you know that will value it or it will be helpful. This is Note, which is the whispered of wisdom captured on paper. I'll see you on my another video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.